I got bangs. Yeah, baby, I got bangs. Now my whole life has changed. Things will never be the same. Flex on haters, put them in their place. Look at how my bangs frame my face. I hope my ex sees I'm doing well, 'cause I'm looking like Zoe Chanel, and my ex will be so surprised when she sees my hair form a horizontal line. She gon' probably say, that's an interesting style. Yeah, I fucking know. They called bangs, motherfucker, I got bangs. Yeah, baby, I got bangs. Now my whole life has changed, and things will never be the same.